You're probably using YouTube video tags completely wrong. Let me explain. So video tags help you with discovery on YouTube, so you might as well get them right. You're probably filling in the YouTube video tag section with a bunch of like viral words and like trending this and trending that someone probably 10 years ago was probably like doing a lot of, and a lot of big YouTubers still do today. But really, you should try to make sure that the words are aligned to your content. And remember that the words in here help people discover your content, but also they play a minimal role in your thumbnail. For example, on this one YouTube short that I made, I was tasting a shakaroni pizza. For the tags, well, I know that the word shack and pepperoni are probably misspelled commonly. So then what I did was I put deviations of shakaroni, right? That's why these things don't really make sense, because possibly someone's gonna misspell it, right? Same thing could happen if you were to say do Fortnite. Let's say someone misspells Fortnite, right? We know how to spell Fortnite, but we're not gonna put that in there, right? So what if they put fort and then night by accident, right? Maybe they don't know English well, maybe they can't spell things. But that will probably help more than putting, you know, gaming, viral, FYP, right? Whatever, trending, right? That stuff is not going to help because YouTube knows what the video is about and it needs a little bit of help and guidance. So again, what you want to try to do is you want to put relevant words and also words that would be commonly misspelled. The best example that I could give you is that take whatever your content's about and misspell it, right? How would someone misspell that word when searching for it on YouTube, right? Do they leave out a letter? Do they drop an E? Is there abbreviations to the word? I know a lot of video games do that, a lot of acronyms. So try that. I think that will definitely help your video get more discovered, or at least assist in the whole discovery process. Hope that helps. Subscribe to my channel. Cheers.